This video provides specific instructions on how to respond to the factors in this survey. For any given factor, you may believe it is an obstacle, facilitator, neither, or both to the implementation of a wellness fitness program in your department. As you can see, the response area for each factor is organized in the same way. The table consists of 2 rows, and the 5 columns represent the 5 response options for each of the rows. When responding to the factor, it is recommended that you start by evaluating the statement in the first row and then proceed to evaluate the statement in the second row. The first factor will be used as an example to outline the potential response options for each factor in this survey. Start by evaluating the statement in the first row. If you believe that this factor is an obstacle, you would indicate if you believe it is a minor, moderate, or major obstacle in your opinion. If you believe that this factor is not an obstacle, you would select no influence. And lastly, if you believe you do not have the experience or knowledge to provide a response, or if you are unsure of the meaning of the factor, you would select unsure. You would then move on to evaluate the statement in the second row. If you believe this factor is a facilitator, you would indicate that if in your opinion you believe it is a minor, moderate, or major facilitator. If you believe that the factor is not a facilitator, you would indicate no influence. And lastly, if you believe you do not have the experience or knowledge to provide a response, or if you are unsure of the meaning of the factor, you would select unsure. When responding to the factors in this manner, a variety of response options may be observed. You may be unsure if a factor is an obstacle or a facilitator, as seen here. You may believe that a particular factor is an obstacle, but is not a facilitator, as seen here. You may also believe that a particular factor is not an obstacle, but is a facilitator, as seen here. And lastly, you may believe that a factor is both an obstacle and a facilitator, as seen here.